Enchant Christmas is a fully immersive holiday experience where people can come and make memories with their loved ones. We want to be part of your holiday tradition, and we're so excited for people to come and to experience it.
The holiday season has officially arrived in St. Petersburg. Enchant Christmas features the world's largest Christmas light maze.
Enchant Christmas features dozens of vendors right here in their Christmas market. And make sure to stop by the different food booths to get a couple of enchanted treats.
There's a great group of restaurants here, just being able to provide the items that we typically add, and then we have some enchanted items which are only available at Enchant, not in the restaurant.
Here at Enchant, we are presenting a bunch of edible chocolate dishes filled with our boozy ice cream. We've really integrated the food experience into the magic of Enchant.